Now, a lot of people come to an auto show to look at the exotic cars, the Ferraris and everything else, but actually this is a pretty good place to start your shopping process if you're just an average consumer. Now, if you're looking for a typical family car, 4 or 5 passenger car, well, for every category, I always suggest get yourself a short list. You can't look at everything, so pick 3 or 4 or 5 cars that you have some interest in. I've got 4 here that you might want to take a look at. The first one, we'll start alphabetically at the back with the Volkswagen Golf TDI station wagon. Now, I happen to own a Jetta wagon diesel, so I know whereof I speak. Lots of room inside, fantastic fuel economy, beautiful interior, really good road dynamics. And as I always say, the Volkswagen Golf wagon is about 70% of Canadians really need in a car. Might not be everything you want, but it's just about everything you need. Another example, Toyota Camry. Whoever went wrong buying a Toyota? You never have to explain to your friends why you bought a Toyota. It's pretty much a normal type of pick. But the new car is substantially better than the one it replaces. They actually have a sport model, which is sporty, from Toyota. Who'd figure? The base car is also very strong, good engine, lots of fuel consumption advantages there, decent interior, much nicer than the old car. And it may not be the most exciting car to look at, but it's a very strong contender. Speaking of family cars, you can't go too far wrong with the Kia Optima. This is a car that was designed by a former Volkswagen and Audi stylist, a guy named Peter Schreier, and whatever Kia is paying him, it's not enough. The car is beautiful inside and out, rides and drives really well on top of all that. Like most Korean cars, the price is right, but this is a Korean car you'd want to buy, not just have to buy because it's all you can afford. Now, my final choice might be a bit of a surprise to regular viewers, readers. It's an SUV, and you know I don't like SUVs, but this isn't the old style, huge body on frame thing that every time you go around a corner, the thing wants to fall over. This really is a passenger car. Frankly, it's a hatchback, but they have to dress it up to look like an SUV because for some reason a lot of people don't like hatchbacks. What this car has to offer though, nice styling inside and out, all sorts of room, and it's built in Canada. That matters to a lot of people. The one thing you have to watch with the Chevy Equinox though, if you start adding on those options, the price gets a little bit high, so be very judicious. So there are 4 family cars you might want to take a look at when you come down to the Canadian International Auto Show. Not one car suits all needs, but these are 4 that you should take a look at. For Wheels.ca, I'm Jim Kenzie.